Hi my dear friends, today I am going to show some rattling sound inside our kwid. What are the simple solutions and how you control? Okay, so for some of the major places you have to find the rattling noises are coming from. So okay, now I am first of all going to tell about our inside. What are the things? First one, the seat belt. The seat belt. Okay, I made some one simple technique so to avoid. So it is when you are going without wearing seat belt, it makes noise. So I made both the side. And one more thing is from back seat belt, back side rear seat belt. So when we leave, it comes like this. So that part will be touched to our car and then it will make noise. So I made like this, taking that way. So these are all the inside noises. And one more thing, one more noises from our inside cabin. It is from rear parcel tray. So it is also, now it is very tight because I made some tape work in this corner, both sides, that's why it is a little hard. Then you have to check the way your Stephanie was tightened well, and also your toolkit, it is also properly placed without shaking. So these are all the some controlling methods. So another major one comes from our bonnet. You can see two rubber pads here and here. When it is down, it make noise and you have to make a proper adjustment with this, then you can avoid noise. Okay, when I close and I will show. So not want to shake properly, it is not is going to shake now. So these are all the simple techniques. Thank you for watching my video. Please share and subscribe.